Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Inventory count is a process in NetSuite that helps you track, validate, and adjust your physical inventory levels against what the system shows. Instead of doing manual adjustments directly, inventory count lets you record cycle counts, counting a subset of inventory on a schedule, perform full physical counts, counting all items at once, update NetSuite quantities based on actual physical counts, automatically create and post inventory adjustments to reconcile discrepancies. Step 1. Prepare the item for counting. Open the inventory item record, go to the Purchasing Inventory tab, scroll down to Locations. If item location configuration is enabled, configure the location. Open the Inventory Count tab. Add the next inventory count date. If no count date is set, the item will not appear in the inventory count page. Step 2. Create an inventory count. Navigate to Transactions, Inventory, create inventory count. Select Subsidiary. Select Location. Notice, the system only pulls in items where the next count date is within the chosen date range. If you move the date out of range, the item disappears. Set the date back within range, the item reappears. Check Count Bin Rows with 0 quantity to include bins with no stock. Check Sort Rows by Bin to sort by bin instead of by item. Select an account to post variances to. Select the items you want to count and click Submit. Step 4. Perform the count. The inventory count record is created. Click Start Count. Status changes from Open, Started. Edit the inventory count record. Enter physical count quantity. Add inventory details. Save. Step 5. Complete and approve. Click Complete Count. This captures the snapshot quantity. Shows adjusted quantity differences. Status updates to completed pending approval. Approve or reject the count. Step 6. Review item quantities. Open the item record. Verify the quantity on hand has been updated. You've now successfully created and completed an inventory count in NetSuite. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.